Power BI 101 Episode 8. How to create a tooltip page in Power BI. Firstly, what is a tooltip? A tooltip is a small pop-up that appears when a user hovers their cursor over a data point on a visual. Let's try to create a tooltip step by step. Step 1 should be to create the main visual on the page where you want your tooltip. Let's say you want to show the headcount by department in a column chart, something like this. Then we need to add a new page and make it a tooltip page. Then you need to click on the format option. Then you need to click on canvas settings. Here in the type section, you need to select tooltip. As you can see, the size of the canvas has been changed and it has been adjusted to the tooltip. On this new page, just add whatever visuals you want to show. We have already created a tooltip page where we are showing gender-wise head count. Now we need to link the tooltip page to our main visual. In order to do this, select the main visual and go to the format pane. Now you need to click on General, go to Tooltips section, set page to your tooltip page. In our case, it's already been selected. So you have successfully created a tooltip for your visual. Now let's see if it's working fine for us. In order to check it, we will simply hover our cursor on the data points. As you can see, the tooltip that we have created now is working absolutely fine, as when I move my cursor, the numbers, the data on the tooltip is changing accordingly. So let's do a case study over here. In the analytics department, we have 22 employees in total, out of which 9 are males and 13 are females, which make a total headcount of 22 in the analytics department. So this is how you can easily create tooltips for your visuals. Want to simplify data analytics with Power BI? Follow, like and subscribe for easy tips and insights.